ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಬಳಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. So you have to study. First you see vowels and consonants. How it alphabets represents Kannada, alphabets represent in English. Like that. See, vowels. A in English, A, small letter A, it sounds up, apply. Next, A, small letter A, on, long. E, E represents I, small letter I. It's a sound it, kit. E, big E, Mahaprana. E, I, English letter, small letter I. Its sound eagle, sleep. And then U, small letter U, look, cook. U, Mahaprana, U. So it's pronounced Uttar Pradesh. A, E, sound ever, leg. E, small letter E, age, name, like. I, small letter I. It sound ice, night. Then O, small letter O, one, so. O, old, cold. O, AV, O, AV or AU, O, once, crown. These are all vowels. And next we see consonant sounds. See, K, small letter small letter K. K, the alpa prana, less sound. K, Mahaprana, small letter K, H, K. Now a small letter K represents K, small alpa prana K. It sounds kit, cup. G, green, mug. Ch, chocolate, such. See, J, capital letters J, jelly, manage. T, capital letters T, it sound top, cat. See, you now C small letter, A small letter, T capital letters. Now you see the difference, how it used, how it works. Okay. T, D, capital letters D, dog, ride. N, capital letters N, N. There is no sound. Example, in Kannada, nona, anna. Anna means brother. N, capital letters N. Okay. Small letter T. Three. Three. Simul T. Okay. Next D. 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 The. The small letter D. That, mother. Next N. Small letter N. Nut, honey. P. P. Small letter P. P. Pump, cap. Sound. Next B. Small letter B. Ball, number. M. Small letter M. Moy, smooth. Next Y. Small letter Y. Youth, youth. Next R. Small letter R. Read, tree. L. L. Small letter L. Look, ball. V. Wall, live. Sh. Capital letter S. Some, place. S. S. Capital letter Sh. Capital letters S. H. Sh. Like Shanmukha. Sh. Shankha. Capital letter S. Some sound, place some sound. Next Shatkona. Shatkona. Shanmukha. Capital letter S. H and H. Sleep, mesh. Mesh. S. Capital letters S. 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 Sun. Sun, summer. Like that. H. H. Small letter H. Hat. Inhale. Okay. These are the consonants and vowels. How sounds make a sounds. Okay. For example, one example is there. Ane. Ane. A-A-N-E. Small letters. All small letters. A-A-N-E. Elephant. It means Ane means Ane. It's a word in it is a Kannada word. In English, elephant. And another example is there. Ane. 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 See the difference between Ane and Ane. Ane. Capital N-E. Here, the first example, small a, small n-e is there. And in second example, A-A-N-E, capital N. So, the difference between ne and ne. Ne, simple ne. Here, ne, ane. The ane means promise. The second example, these are slight difference words. Anna, 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 A small letter, N, N, A small letter. These are four letters are small. It means rice. Anna. So, and another Anna. Here small letter A, capital letters N, A, small A. Anna. Anna means elder brother. So, you see in another example, Kalu. Kalu. K-A-A-L-U. Kalu. Kalu means leg. Kalu. Lu. Lu. Here difference. capital letters L and U. Kalu means grain. And Kallu, Kallu, stone. Kallu, Ka capital letters Llu, Kallu, Toti, Kallu. Okay. See the example another of coffee. Sibo, FFE, coffee. Office. So office. It's a in difference in sounds. Coffee, coffee. Okay. The another example and akka, anna, a capitals and a satya, satya. These are the trust words. And satya, ratri, ratri night, satya truth, anna elder brother, akka elder sister. These are the here example. Aspiratal sound Mahaprana. Aspiratal sound Mahaprana. Dhana, धन मतलब wealth. Phala, fruits. See, these are the vowels and consonants. Next we will start first lesson. Thank you.